Have a long time ago. It's a wooden roller coaster.
It was called the Flyer.
Fish and chips. They're here all the time. Oh, Squinch. Oh, they got Fan Harvey's is down there. Let's go this way. Oh, you going to... It's down there. She wants her Tim Hortons coffee. Famous chimney cones, $14. Bud's Badass Burgers, $12.83 for One Love. Bad Boy, $16.37. Bar, Maggie's Hot Dog, $12. $10. Bacon hot dog. Pizza. This is the front of the building. And they have one of the biggest washrooms here. If you go in the back, they're small. Mac and Cheesery. Smoking Good. Remember a long time ago, there used to always be an Italian place here. Grilled chicken, $12.95. Pizza, $12.95. Bombay Spice Treat. Crispy chicken. This used to be where the Japanese place was, wasn't it? Yeah. We're not renting this year. Flicks is always here. Flicks Burger. We don't have it in Toronto anymore. $12.99 for a burger. Oh, I remember I got the alligator there in the corner. It's not there no more. Chicken tenders. Filthy Phil's. Yeah, they're here every year. Tiny Tom Donuts. They're here all the time now. Gangnam Style Korean dogs. Fuwa. $6 for drinks. Pancake is $11 before the original. Mango's $12. Morning. Indian food. Subway. Pita.
It's kind of like a pogo.
Booster juice. Oh, Dutch Fritz. They're always here. Primo spaghetti. $1.99. Domi, they're here all the time. Egg Club, they're all here. There's Tim Hortons coffee. Epic Burger. People got sick one year doing that. I think it was E. coli in the lettuce. Fish and chips, Local Express, pierogi. They were all here last year. Spot desserts. Can't remember if they were there last year. I don't think they were. Oh, another Gangnam style Korean dog. I think they're new. Chicken cone. Deep fried curds, Canadiana, they're here every year. Pizza Nova here is every year. Ice cream sandwiches here every year. Nacho Hustle, I think they're new.
I remember back in the day, you used to come into the food building because it was cheaper than buying food on the Midway. I remember when we were little kids, we used to line up for the free chocolate bars. Well, this year I find some of the food prices are pretty expensive.
Jamaica's there. I got the jerk chicken on here. Smash burgers. Can't remember if they were here before. Smash burgers. They got ramen, fried chicken, $16. Montreal Deli. They're here every year. Wow, $22 for sandwich, fries, and a pop. That's pricey, no? And the sandwiches aren't that big. $22. This is where I get my roti. Spaghetti, Harvey. $20 curry dishes. Wings and tenders. Simon's Greek. San Francisco, they're here again this year. Farm waffle stock. Yeah, $24.99, $25. Mega sandwich, $25. I usually get the veal, $16.99. Mac and cheese, $13.27. Taco Mat, $14.16. Bacon tots, $10.17. Burrito Company, they're always here. Shawarma, falafel. Let's see if the colossal onion rings here. Usually I get that. What was it? I paid $16 at I think the Rib Fest for it. See how much it is here. Cito Franks hot dogs, $11. Canadians, $9. Not bad. Ice cream, $7 for a single scoop. Pita Pit chicken, $13.27. Here's smoking. Korean fried chicken, lunch special, $18. Oh yeah, colossal, $20. Yeah, rib fest, it was $16. Machete, 3 tacos for 18 bucks. I remember back in the day, the food building would be cheaper than if you bought food outside it on the main fair. Black Camel Sandwich. Thing was there before. Oh, what's that restaurant? They used to be on College Street, the restaurant. They were here. I forget the name now. College and Young used to be there. Classic beef brisket, $16. Swiss Chalet, $16 for a quarter chicken, chicken on a bun. Icy. Bacon Nation. Shawarma. Classic burger, $14.99. Rib sandwich, $14.99. Half rack, $22.99. Sushi burrito. Okay, we were down there. Where's the front? Do we go down here? I don't think we did. This used to be, yeah, this used to be Coca-Cola. Actually, I think it was in the very front one time, wasn't it? I can't remember. It might have been there, Coca-Cola, afterwards. And they've been here for quite a while. Pickle bar, Mexican street food, fried chicken sandwich, funnel cake chicken sandwich, $18.99, Kool-Aid chicken sandwich, $17.69. Is where we came in from. Let's go down here. Yeah, my daughter's pierogi's still here. I love churros. Deep fried pierogies. 7 for $9.95. 12 for $14.95. Arby's. Okay, we saw everything. Now I gotta decide what I want to have to eat. Farm to fryer. Shell crab, 20 bucks. Or last year, they don't give you as much chicken in the roadie. Bouchard's, I had that one year. It's expensive. They don't give you much. $4.99. French fries is $8. Wow. 13 and 8, $21 for burger and fries. That licks. That's pricey.
We split it because I couldn't decide what to get. I'll be getting something later. And all the Lick Burger joints closed in Toronto, so this is the only place we can get it. And my wife loves the taste of their burger.
I should have told you to get the cheese slice. It looked better.
It's $12 for the pizza slice combo at Pizza Nova.
It's expensive. $26 now for chicken roti and a pop this year. $15 for 12 pierogies.
Yeah.
She got Harvey's.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hope to see you in our next video.